As you know, we do a lot of equipment for milk processing. But of course, our equipment you can also use for juices. This is a juice line. You prepare the juices with the pulp, the sap, into this press. We press the juice from the pulp, and the juice goes to this hose, to this pump, into the pasteurizer. The pasteurizer can heat up the juice to 60 degrees or 70 degrees or 85 degrees, whatever you want, and cool it down by tap water. Then you have the juice. The juice you can connect this one to this pump, to the bottle filling machine, and you can fill the juices into bottles from 250 ml or 1 liter or 2 liters or 3 liters with this bottle filling machine. And this is a complete juice dairy of juice factory for a batch from every time 500 liters. You can fill the pasteurizer, the batch, I think, every 3 to 4 hours with new juices. So this is a complete juice factory. Of course, everything what we supply to you, we send it with some spare parts. The maintenance is very low, but when something broke, we have always a few heating elements, rubbers, outlet to connect to the hoses, and for the compressor. Thank you.